Hey, what's up, my good people? Welcome, guys, to Tech Explorers. Kindly, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from us. For one reason or the other, you may need to pause what you call the Windows 11 updates. For example, you might be doing something that requires high bandwidth and you don't want to be interrupted. That is your bandwidth to go down. So in case you are doing something that requires high bandwidth and you don't want to be interrupted, so you can just pause Windows 11 updates so that because by default that is Windows 11 updates automatically. So in case, for example, you don't pause the updates and you have something that you are doing and requires high bandwidth, you may get interrupted. To prevent that, you may post the updates, for example, for a period of 1 week or 2 weeks, depending on the time that you'll take to complete that task. And after that period is over, Windows 11 will assume updates and it will update it will be able to install updates that you have missed for that period. So how can you be able to post updates in Windows 11? So you just need to click this icon and go to settings. Then under settings, we need to go to Windows updates, and that is where we'll be able to post the updates. And when you click updates, you can see here there is a button. You can see you can be able to post updates for a period of 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on the time that you need, to a maximum of 5 weeks. So for example, in case you want to post for a period of 2 weeks, you just need to select 2 weeks and post, and already you can see my PC is loading. And you can see now I've been able to post updates for a period of that is 2 weeks. By default, Windows 11 updates once in a week. That is, it updates once in a week. So by default, the updates are like, we can say like they are post for 1 week. So in case you want to post updates for a period of 2 weeks, let's say you are working on something, so you can just need to come and select 2 weeks, and you can see, for example, here that is, you can see extend for 1 week. For example, you may just click here. In case you want to extend for 1 week, you just need to click there, and that is select extend for 2 weeks. That is in case, for example, something that you are doing you didn't finish and you still feel that you need more, you need to extend that time so that you can be able to complete that task. After this period is over, that is Windows 11 update will reset to default, and it will immediately update all those updates that you have missed for the period that you had posted for updates, that is in Windows 11. That is how simply you can be able to post for updates, that is in Windows 11. It's very easy. In case you are doing something and requires high bandwidth, you don't want to be interrupted, or in case for example, let's say there are some programs that are running and you don't want those programs running to be interrupted within that period of time, because when Windows is updating and installing those programs, you need to restart your PC. In case you don't want to be interrupted, you can just post updates for Windows 11. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.